This is the most luxurious Indian restaurant here in the metro. Sa social media ko nga lang to napapanood pero sa personal, pag nandito ka na pala, mas lalo mong ma-appreciate yung ganda ng resto. Also, the service, the ambience, and the food were all good. Hello Jolly Natex, today we'll share to you our experience here at Royal Indian Curry House, also known as Rich. Located dito sa 3rd floor ng El Terrazzo Mall along Tomas Morato Corner, Scout Mandringan, Quezon City. And kita nyo naman, reception area pa lang, para ka nang nasa hotel. May 3 areas yung resto. First is their lounge area. Dito feeling VIP ka talaga. With all that comfy couch, elegant interior designs, and displays. The whole vibe would give you that relaxing atmosphere, and yung word na royal sa name ng resto, bagay na bagay talaga. Nandito nga rin yung napakaganda nilang bar area, and ang sarap tumambay dyan. Next is their alfresco area. Ito yung nasa balcony side, and puno nga daw to kapag gabi, wherein they also offer sisha as well. And lastly, sa other side naman is the regular dining area, which is for me para paring fine dining yung datingan. As in, ang ganda rin dito, and syempre hindi ko na nga rin pinalagpas yung chance na matikman itong kanilang panipuri. Makikita nyo rin kung paano i-prepare, and in contrary sa mga napapanood nyo sa social media, hindi yan minekus-mekus. And yung lasa, as in legit na masarap. Nakatikim na ako dati nito, but I'd say this is the best I had so far. The explosion of flavors, overall, nagko-complement talaga. Hindi ko na isa-isahin yung menu nila kasi kita nyo naman ang kapalo. But I will share some of the best sellers that we tried. Kung usapang authentic Indian food, yes, legit po sila. Bukod sa Indian yung executive chef nila dito, go to place din to ng mga Indian nationals. Unahin ko na dito sa kanilang chicken kali merch masala. This is their traditional Indian chicken curry that feature a unique blend of spices. And best to partner to either ng kanilang garlic or cheese naan. Napaka-rich and flavorful ng dish na to, and by default, inangkop talaga nila yung level of flavor sa panlasang Pinoy. Kaya naman talaga hindi kayo ma-overwhelm sa mga lasa ng pagkain, pero kung gusto nyo matikman yung talagang Indian level, pwedeng nyong i-request yan. We also tried their samosa chaat, drenched in their yogurt sauce, spread with their mint and tamarind chutney. Their fish malay tikka naman is really good. Ang lambot ng fish. Hindi ko lang natanong kung anong fish yung gamit nila dito, but definitely hindi malang sa yung pagkakaluto. You'll definitely taste all the spices, and okay din yung tinorch nila yung ibabaw that gives added flavor. Yung tandoori prawn naman, isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito. May smoky flavor din yan with the marination of all the spices na ginamit. Okay na siya as is, pero nirecommend nila to try with their signature sauces like their tamarind, mint, and spicy chutney, tapos extra linamnam mixed with their yogurt. And if ever magawi kayo dito, try nyo to, promise. Their Hyderabadi biryani naman is one of the well-balanced and seasoned na natikman ko. Ang sarap ng pagkakaluto at pagkakatimpla nila dun sa mismong biryani rice. The mutton meat was also soft, and best to partner to with their yogurt sauce for added flavor. For their drinks naman, we tried their roast lassi, strawberry lassi, mango lassi, and sweet lassi. And sa lahat nga ng yan, unanimous kami, yung pinakamasarap is their strawberry lassi. For desserts naman, ang sarap din netong gulab jamun. This is a traditional dessert in India made out of milk reduced to the consistency of a soft dough. Tapos sinok sa light sugar syrup along with other spices, topped with almonds. And hindi na nga ako na-surprise na nagustuhan ng kids to. Overall, it was an amazing experience, and I'd say majority ng food na natikman namin are really good. And pagdating naman sa place, no doubt you will definitely feel that royalty experience while dining here at Royal Indian Curry House. So paano, until our next food trip?